In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups on Mailchimp. This process will take just around 5 minutes and is a fantastic way to organize and target your audience more effectively. By segmenting your contacts into groups based on interests, preferences, or behaviors, you can tailor your communications and make them more impactful. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the left side of the screen and click on the Audience tab. Now, if you're working with multiple audiences, you'll need to select the one where you want to create the new group. This is crucial as groups exist within individual audiences on Mailchimp. Once you've selected your desired audience, look for Manage Audience and click on it. From the drop-down menu, you'll select Groups. On the Groups page, you'll see the option to create groups. Go ahead and click on that. Here you have some choices to make about how your contacts will interact with your groups. You can opt for checkboxes if you want them to select multiple groups, radio buttons for a single choice, a drop-down menu for one selection, or decide not to show group options on the sign-up form. This last choice is perfect for internal segmentation, where you manage the groups without subscriber input. Next, think about a group category name. This name should reflect the theme or purpose of the groups you're creating, such as interests or preferences. This makes it clear what kind of segmentation you are applying. Alongside your category name, you'll need to add group options. These are the specific segments within the category, like news updates, promotions, or event invitations. These options help you tailor communications based on what members are keen to receive. Now, once you've set up your category and its options, go ahead and click Create Group. Your groups are now established, but you'll need to populate them with contacts. To do this manually, head back to Audience, then All Contacts. From here, you can select the contacts who you want to assign to these groups. Click Actions and choose Add to Groups. This allows you to assign each contact to the relevant segments you've just created. Finally, let's integrate these groups into your campaigns. When you're ready to send an email campaign, use Mailchimp's segment or tag feature. This way you can ensure your emails reach the specific groups you're aiming for, making your marketing efforts more precise and effective. And there you have it, creating and using groups in Mailchimp to enhance how you communicate with your audience. Thanks for following along.